Hey everyone, I just wanted to check in with you on this Tuesday morning. I hope you're having a great week thus far and a good Tuesday. Of course, today is the first day of Unit 5. This unit follows the normal patterns with the exception that your bibliography for the final project is due uh, by the end of the unit, by tomorrow, which is Wednesday at midnight. I just wanted to say a couple of things about that bibliography in case they will be helpful. Um, Mostly, you just need to make sure that you have formatted your bibliography according to the formatting style guide that you know best. I've mentioned that in the final project instructions sheet, and I've also provided a link to a quick guide for Chicago style. Chicago is the one that historians use. Um, I'm not making you learn that one for this class, but if you don't already have a good handle on APA or MLA, please use Chicago. Use the guide that I've given you. It's fairly straightforward. It's just kind of following the template for where you put the author's name, what order, how you um, either italicize or underline book titles, the way that you include publication information, how you include the website information, all of those things are available there. So give that a look if you need it. That'll help you format your bibliography. And that's all you need to do. You just need to have a well-formatted bibliography with each source type included. So for example, you'll need your one primary source, your two academic secondary sources, your at least three other secondary sources, and if you were able to find any relevant social media material, include those as well. If you located more than that number of sources, include everything that you found on the bibliography. Just because you have it in the bibliography doesn't necessarily mean that you need to include it in the final project. You will, for the final project, though, need to have the number of sources as outlined in the assignment instructions, if that makes sense. So if you're still thinking, though, you're not quite sure which ones you're going to use for the project because you've been looking at several, just throw everything into the bibliography and you can make those decisions between now and the time that you turn in the project on Sunday. Hopefully that is helpful. Again, remember you don't need to annotate anything on this bibliography, just list the sources because the project itself is where you will include those annotations. I think I'll leave a separate message about what the annotations should include in a day or two when everybody's kind of caught up from the bibliography. So as always, please let me know what questions you have, and I look forward to seeing your ideas about Unit 5.